Swalla and we are the Mama Son duo, and we're going to have a three sets for tonight. And we're located here at the Dolores Circle, San Fernando, Pampanga. Sa lahat ng mga ating live viewers, if you have time, punta po kayo dito. Apag lang na. Alright, we'll give you our first set. We'll give you our soft something from Celine Dion. Hello, good evening. I've heard the truth at 17. The love was meant for beauty queen and high school girls with clear skin smile who marry young and never die. And the Valentine's loving you, the bright night charades of you was spent on one more beautiful. At 17 I heard it through. And those who bells to Cambridge breezes, locking in the social graces, desperately remain at home, inventing lovers on the phone, who call the same of destiny, and mama named sanity. He's all it seems at 17. A brown-eyed girl enhanced me down, whose name I never could pronounce, said pretty place, the ones who said they only had what they deserved. And to reach relations' hometown queen, merits hand to what she needs, with a guarantee of company and haven for the elderly. So remember those who waited again, lost to love and soul to gain, in velvet shoes of quality and dubious integrity. There's fault and eyes in a few, and not surprised when famous too. Exit accounts proceed as I Valentine's that now decay, and those who stay in their call, phantoms inside of Escanol. And it was long ago but far away, the world was younger than today, when drinks were all they gave for free to a lovely Catholic girl like me. Only gift when we did, we cheat ourselves and saw the fair, inventing a lover's on the thought, repenting other lives unknown, that God had saved us and me. And mama begging sanity, oh, the girls like me at 17. Sure, thank you so much, and that's how we'll also Celine Dion. If you have any request, just write out a piece of paper na po yan. Pwede rin po kayo mag-request natin mga live viewers.
reminiscing. Who is she kissing? Heart of mine. Oh, what's the use in trying? No one can mend you now. Oh, heart of mine. Oh, heart of mine. Yes, alright, thank you so much. That song's by Bobby Caldwell.
Hello sa ating mga live viewers. Ayan, pwede po kayong mag-request. Ano po? Give you songs up to po Machoji. Hello, good evening.
She'd take the world on my shoulders if it was ever hard to move. She'd turn the rain to a rainbow when I was living in the blue. Why did if she is so perfect, do I still wish that it was you? Perfect don't mean that it's working, so what can I do? When you're out outside in my mind, 'cause sometimes I look in her eyes, and that's where I find the looks of us. And I try to fall for her touch, but I'm thinking of the way it was. Said I fight and said I move on. I'm only here for same time in her want, hoping I find other lips and eyes. Your glory as you left away, I think. Is this a part of your story, one that I had ever lived? Maybe one day you'll feel lonely and his eyes you'll get late. Maybe you'll start slipping slowly and find me again. Oh, and you're out outside in my mind. Sure, thank you so much. And that song was Joji. Hello, good evening, and welcome to Pagdangdangin at Summer of Sal. Sa ating mga live viewers, good evening, everyone. We're located here at the Dolores Circle, San Fernando, Pampanga. Punta lang po kayo.
Let me give you the song by Coldplay. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets and ask me your questions. Oh, let's go back to the start.
Hello po.
Running in circles, coming up days, had sun and science apart. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. Oh, take me back to the start. I was just guessing the numbers and figures, pulling the puzzles apart. Questions of science, science and progress, not speak as loud as my heart. Tell me you love me, come back and haunt me. Oh, when I rush to the start, running in circles, chasing our tails, coming back as we are. Nobody said it was easy. Oh, it's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. I'm going back to the start. you so much. And that song's by Coldplay.
Yes, alright. Welcome po sa ating mga bagong dating ngayong gabi. Welcome po sa inyo. Yan, pwede po kayo mag-request dito mga madam. Pwede rin po kayo mag-reach sa amin. Sa ating mga live viewers, pwede po kayo mag-request.
Now we give you this song by Adele.
I've made up my mind. Don't need to think it over. If I'm wrong, I am right. Don't need to look no further. This ain't last. I know this is love. If I tell the world, I'll never say enough, 'cause it was not said to you. And that's exactly what I need to do. If I end up with you, should I give up or should I just keep chasing playback? Even if it leads nowhere, or would it be a waste? Even if I knew my place, should I leave it there? Should I give up or should I just keep chasing playback? Even if it leads nowhere, yeah. I build myself up and fly around in circles, waiting as my heart drops and my back begins to jingle finally. Goodness me, either should I give up or should I just keep chasing dreamland? Even if it leads nowhere, or would it be a waste? Even if I knew my place, should I leave it there? Should I give up or should I just keep chasing dreamland? Even if it leads nowhere, should I give up or should I just keep chasing payments? Even if it leads nowhere, or would it be, even if I knew my place, should I leave it there? Should I give up or should I just keep on chasing payback? Should I just keep on chasing payback? Oh, should I give up or should I just keep chasing payback? Even if it leads nowhere, or would it be a waste? Even if I knew my place, should I leave it there? Should I give up or should I just keep chasing payback? Even if it leads nowhere. Alright, thank you so much, and that song belongs to Adele. Sa ating mga live viewers, ayan, hello po, good evening. Pwede po kayo mag-request. Mga madam, pwede po kayo mag-request or makijam dito sa akin, ma'am. Ayan, huwag po kayo mahihiya. Meron po ba celebrate? Birthday! Uy, happy birthday, be. Hello. Ayan, pinapakanta namin dito yung nag-birthday. Kantahan muna natin siya ng happy birthday. Ayan, para masaya naman siya. Ngayon ba talaga yung birthday niya? Ngayon? Ah, wow. Thank you for choosing us. Kapag na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ay, happy birthday, Eli. Ayan, thank you for choosing a pagnanan to celebrate your birthday. Ayan, maraming salamat. Pwede po kayong kumanta rito, Miss Eli. Halika, be. Kanta ka. Ayun niya. O, maya-maya, sige. Pagka gusto niya na, pag ready na siya. Then, alright. Ayan, sa ating mga live viewers, mag-request. Pwede din po kayo mag-request, ha?
Yes, that's right. And also to our live viewers, pwede po mag-request.
Yes. Antayin namin yung mga request nyo, guys. Pakisulat na lang po dyan. Lagyan ng emo para kita namin.
Walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need somewhere to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere on that window? This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere on that window? Somewhere only we know. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere on that window? This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go? So why don't we go? This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere on that window? Somewhere on that window. Somewhere on that window. Yes, alright, thank you so much. And welcome po sa mga bagong dating natin.
Alright. We'll give this song something from Four Non Blondes. It's called What Up, What's Up.
25 years and my life is still trying to get that great big hill for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man, for whatever that means. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get very high and I scream from top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I pray, oh my God, I pray every single day for revolution. And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? 25 years and my life is still I'm trying to get back with big hill for a destination. Sure, thanks so much. And that's all for the boss. Yeah.
Dedicate this song by Maroon 5. We are only 18.
Hello.
Had some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. I drove for miles and miles and wound up at your door. I've had you so many times, but somehow I want more. I'm mind spending every day out on your corner and pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wants to stay a while, then she will be loved. Then she will be loved. Tap on the window, knock on my door. I want to make you feel beautiful.
Get up for
I said to get so insecure, it doesn't matter anymore. There's nowhere but vice is compromise that moves us along. Yeah, my heart is full now, open, go anytime you want. I don't mind spending every day out on your corner thank you so much. And that song's by Maroon 5.
Ayan, pwede po kayong mag-request, mga madam, mga bossing, at pwede rin po kayong makijam dito sa amin. Alright, we'll give the song something from our assistant, Nancy Richard. Ayan, pwede po kayo mag-request. Alright, shoutout po, Ruben Marquez.
Kiss me out of it for late night beside the green, green grass, sweet, sweet, the spinning sweet, the spinning fast.
You wear those shoes and I will wear a dress. Oh,
Kiss me beneath the milky twilight, lead me out on the morning floor, leave your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. Kiss me down by the broken tree house with me. All on its hanging tile. Bring a breeze, bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail mark on your water's map. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the morning floor, leave your open hand, strike up the band and make the park lights dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me.
We're located here at the Circle of Dolores, San Fernando, Pampanga.
yes. Here at Kapag Lang Na.
Beneath the milky twilight, lead me out on the morning floor, leave your open hand, strike off the band and make the park lights dance, silver moon sparkling. So kiss me. So kiss me. So kiss me. So kiss me. So kiss me.
Sure, thank you so much. Kaya pwede po kayo mag-request sa mga layers.
Now we give another song by Maroon 5. I asked her to stay, but she